Hello everyone, this is Hamilton Joe. In this video, we are going to discuss about UGC CARE journal list as on 1st July 2020. UGC has announced UGC CARE journal. Indian research scholars as well as faculty members should publish their research work in UGC CARE journal list in order to get their academic credits. UGC CARE journal list is revised 4 times in a year, that is 1st of January, 1st of April, 1st of July and 1st of October of every year. If the first of all the mentioned months are government holiday, then the UGC CARE list will be revised in the following day. According to that, today 1st July, so UGC CARE list has been revised as on today, that is 1st July 2020. So in this video we are going to see what are the significant updates have been made in the UGC CARE journal list as on 1st July 2020. So many Scopus journals have been removed from UGC CARE list, as well as other journals which are found in UGC CARE list group 1 are also removed from the UGC CARE list as on 1st July 2020. Similarly, UGC has mentioned list of cloned journals, that is fake journals, also UGC has mentioned in this updation. So we are going to see all these things in detail. So don't skip the video, watch it completely to know the latest update of UGC CARE journal list as on 1st July 2020. Before that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe it and click the bell symbol so that you will get the latest update. Now let us get into the topic. Now let us open the Google Chrome. So now we have to go to the UGC CARE list website. If you know UGC CARE list website, you can go directly. If you do not know, just type UGC CARE list or UGC CARE journal list, just type it. So first link you can find it. So UGC official website, UGC approved list of journals. So just click it. See here, it is mentioned UGC approved list of journals has been replaced by UGC CARE list with effect from 14 June 2019. So just click it, it will redirect you to the UGC CARE list website. So this is the UGC CARE list website. So in order to view the journals, we should have a login password, username password. So here you can find, just click login. So if you have a username and password, you can log in directly. In case if you don't have, here you can find the option register here. So upon clicking this, you have to give your basic details such as name, email address and mobile number, and you can register with a user ID and password. So as I have a user ID and password, so just a login. So after logging in, the main significant update that has been made in UGC CARE journal list as on 1st July 2020 is, see here, alert list of cloned journals. So before seeing this journal, that is cloned journals, first I would like to introduce what is UGC CARE list group 1 and group 2. You should have some awareness about these kind of journals which is found in UGC CARE list group 1 as well as group 2. So just click UGC CARE list and here you can find search UGC CARE list. Just click it. So these are the journals from UGC CARE list. One is group 1, UGC CARE list group 1, and the another one is UGC CARE list group 2. First I will tell you about UGC CARE list group 2. See here, Web of Science. So Web of Science is the largest indexing database. It consists of many indexing platforms. Among them, only these 3 listed platforms are considered by UGC. That is Arts and Humanities Citation Index, Science Citation Index Expanded, Social Sciences Citation Index. So all these 3 indexing databases will come under UGC CARE list. That means if you publish your research paper in any of these indexing platforms, then your research paper will be considered as UGC CARE list group 2. So similarly, Web of Science has many other indexing platforms also, such as Zoological Record and etc. If you publish your research paper in those category journals, that will not be considered by UGC. Make it clear. And another one most popular indexing database is Scopus. So earlier all the Scopus indexed journals were considered by UGC, but nowadays, that is especially in 1st April 2020, UGC made a notice that few Scopus indexed journals are removed from the UGC CARE list. So here you can find list of journals removed from group 2 indexed in Scopus database. So kindly make sure not all the Scopus indexed journals are UGC CARE list. So few Scopus indexed journals are removed by UGC from UGC CARE list group 2. So what are the journals have been removed? I will tell you or I will show you later. So similarly, another one database is MLA. So list of journals selected from the MLA database is also come under UGC CARE list group 2. So what are the journals are coming under? You can find it here. So directory of periodicals by the Modern Language Association. If you click this link, you can find it. The another one is UGC CARE list group 1. The journals which are not indexed in these categories, that is Web of Science, Scopus as well as MLA. Those journals, quality journals, is evaluated by UGC, that will come under UGC CARE list group 1. So this is the basic introduction about UGC CARE list group 1 and group 2. Now we are going to see what are the updates have been made in UGC CARE list as on 1st July 2020. So just click this home button. Right, now we are going to see list of cloned journals. First we should know what is cloned journals. So cloned journals means it is a mirror journal or it is a duplicate journal. In simple form we can say it is a fake journal. The journals will look like a original journal, but actually they are not the original journals, they are fake journals. So let us just click this link. See here, UGC has mentioned very clearly print journals included in UGC CARE list. So these journals are included in the UGC CARE list. Similarly, see here, cloned journals not included in UGC CARE list. That means when you publish your research paper in these journals, you should publish your paper in this category, that is print journals included in UGC CARE list. In case if you publish your research paper in cloned journals which is not included by UGC CARE list, the journal details are mentioned here, then your research paper will not be considered by UGC. So how many journals have been listed here? Let us see. So totally 24 journals have been listed by UGC along with original as well as duplicate. So you can see the journals, what are the differences we can find. So UGC has mentioned that, see here, the differences are highlighted in yellow background. See for example, look at here, if you take this journal, the language of this journal is Punjabi only. This is the publisher and this is the ISN, and this particular journal does not have online website. See here the cloned journal. So journal title is here. The journal publishes in two languages, that is Punjabi as well as English, and here's the publisher name, ISN number, and it has a website and it is a cloned website, that is a fake website. See here, the original journals as well as cloned journals will look like similar, but they are not the original journals, they are fake journals. So if you publish your research paper in these kind of journals, that is cloned journals which are not included in the UGC CARE list, then your research paper will not be considered by UGC. So just I scroll down slowly, you can look into the journals. What are the journals are identified as cloned journals. So totally 3 journals were here, you can find it. So here other journals you can find 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are the original journals and this is the cloned version. So similarly other journals you can find it, the original one as well as the duplicate one. So now we will scroll down. See here we can find another list of channels. So totally 24 channels have been identified by UGC as cloned version, and that is listed here. Just I scroll down slowly in order to make you to aware. So what are the channels are here. And finally, so totally these are the 24 channels that were updated in UGC CARE list as on 1st July 2020 and identified as cloned version channels. So when you publish your research paper, you have to careful and you have to verify whether the particular channel is a cloned version or the original version. You have to verify it. So this is the one update UGC has made in UGC CARE list as on 1st July 2020. That is, list of cloned channels have been announced by UGC CARE list team. Now we are going to see what are the other significant changes have been made by UGC CARE channel list and UGC CARE team as on 1st July 2020. So just click UGC CARE list and click search UGC CARE list. Now let us discuss UGC CARE list group 2. So in group 2, UGC regularly monitoring the Scopus index channels. If any of the Scopus index channels does not follow research ethics, then those channels will be removed by UGC from the UGC CARE list. So here you can find a list of channels removed from the group 2 indexed in Scopus database. So just you click it, you can find what are the channels have been removed by UGC which are indexed in Scopus. See here how many channels are removed totally. So here totally 77 channels have been removed by UGC which are indexed in Scopus database. So here I would like to inform you one thing. So earlier, that means the previous update, that is 1st April 2020, 71 channels have been identified and removed from the UGC CARE list indexed in Scopus. Today, that is as on 1st July 2020, additionally 6 channels have been identified by UGC which is indexed in Scopus and it is removed. So earlier it was 71 and now it is 77. So totally 77 channels are removed in the UGC CARE list group 2 which are indexed in Scopus. So the research scholars and faculty members should avoid these channels for the publication of their research paper. Now what are the channels have been removed? We cannot see, I cannot read out all the channels. I will show you the list of channels one by one. You can have a look at it. So first see, these are the 10 channels have been removed in UGC CARE list group 2 indexed by Scopus. Now I go for page number 2. See here other channels from serial number 11 to 20 channels are listed here. You can have a look at it. Now we move on to page 3. Here you can find the serial number from 21 to 30. So these are the channels are removed from UGC CARE list group 2 which is indexed in Scopus. Now we will go to the 4th page. Here you can find the channels. So totally from the serial number 31 to 40. So now I will show you the from 31 to 39 you can see it. So these are the channels removed by UGC which is indexed in Scopus. So if you don't have sufficient time to view all the channels, just pause the video and you can look into the channel names and then you can move on to the next channels. So from 31 to 39 is here and the last one 40th channel you can find it here. Now we will go to the 5th page. So here you can find from serial number 41 to 50. See here this is the 41 to 50 the channels which are removed by UGC CARE list which is indexed in Scopus, and 50th one these are the channels. Now we want to go to the 6th page. So just look at the channels. Now we move on to the 7th page. Now we move on to the last page. So totally 77 channels which are indexed by Scopus have been removed from the UGC CARE list group 2. So can we publish our research paper in these journals? So what UGC has mentioned, let us see. See here, it is given clearly. Just read it. Please note that any publication in these journals will not be considered for any academic purposes. So UGC has mentioned clearly. Please note that any publication in these journals will not be considered for any academic purposes. The academic purposes means such as submission of thesis, submission of synopsis, or promotion or appointment for anything. For any academic purpose, we cannot utilize it. This is what UGC has mentioned here. So this is the second update. So first update is list of cloned journals, and the second update is some, that is exactly I think 6 journals have been removed from the UGC CARE list group 2, which is indexed by Scopus. Now what is the other updates that UGC has made in UGC CARE list as on 1st July 2020? Now we will see. So just click back. See here also UGC has mentioned, please note that any publication in these journals will not be considered for any academic purposes. UGC has mentioned. Now we are going to see about UGC CARE list group 1. So what are the journals have been added into the UGC CARE list group 1, and what are the journals are removed from the UGC CARE list group 1? We will see. So just click search. So here you can find list of journals that were available in UGC CARE list group 1 category wise. See, sciences category consists of 327 journals. Similarly, social sciences consists of 267. Arts and humanities category consists of 316, and multidisciplinary consists of 36 journals, and Indian languages 210. So if you want to browse one by one, just you can click any of the categories and you can browse it. And now I'm going to see how to view what are the journals have been removed recently, that is as on 1st July 2020. So just come over here. Here you can find search. Just click it. Here you can find group 1 and group 2. So just click group 1. See here you can find recently removed journals. That means the journals which are removed as on 1st July 2020. So just click it. See here totally 13 journals have been removed by UGC CARE list from UGC CARE list group 1. So these are the 13 journals are removed in the UGC CARE list as on 1st July 2020. See here you can find the journal name and the publisher and the ISN numbers. Here you can find discontinued from July 2020. So 13 journals. So first I will show you from serial number 1 to 7. See here serial number 1 to 7. Just have a look at the journal names. So these are the journals are removed from UGC CARE list group 1 as on 1st July 2020. So now see from 7 to 10 other remaining journals. These are the journals. Just have a look at the journals. Now we move on to the next page, page number 2. So here are another 3 journals, that is from serial number 11 to 13. So totally these 13 journals are removed from the UGC CARE list group 1 as on 1st July 2020. So this is the third update UGC has made in UGC CARE list as on 1st July 2020. The first update is list of cloned journals. The second update is Scopus journal is removed from UGC CARE list group 2. And the third update is few journals, that is exactly 13 journals have been removed from the UGC CARE list group 1. Now we will see what are the journals have been added into UGC CARE list group 1. Just click search group 1. Here you can find recently added journals in UGC CARE list group 1. So just click it. See here you can find 25 journals. That means we may think that 25 journals have been added into the UGC CARE list group 1 as on 1st July 2020. In my opinion, I think no journals have been added into the UGC CARE list group 1 as on 1st July 2020. Because yesterday also I find all these 25 journals. I think so all these journals have been, that means all these 25 journals have been added into the UGC CARE list group 1 in the previous update, that is 1st April 2020. I think so. This is completely my opinion, because all these journals I found in UGC care list yesterday also, in last week also. So I think today, that is 1st July 2020, new channels have not been added. So the previous update is listed here. No problem. Even if we consider this is the latest list added channels in group 1 also, no problem. So totally 25 channels have been added. So here you can find from serial number 1 to 10 list of channels. Just have a look at the channels. We move on to the page number 2. So here we can find the serial number from 11 to 20. So these are the channels have been added in the UGC care list group 1. Now we move on to the third page. So totally 25 channels are recently added in the UGC care list group 1. So totally so far we have seen 4 updates in the UGC care list so far as on 1st July 2020. I will summarize once again. The first update is list of cloned channels. The second update is list of channels removed from UGC care list group 2, which is indexed by Scopus. And the third one is list of channels removed from the UGC care list group 1. And the fourth one is list of channels that are recently added in the UGC care list group 1. So these are the significant updates have been made in the UGC care list as on 1st July 2020. Now I will show you another important thing which every researcher should understand. So just come down in UGC care list group to see the last point. UGC has mentioned very clearly. Note, the channels which are discontinued or inactive from above databases will not find a place in group 2 of UGC care list. That means, for example, I give an example. For example, let us consider a channel is indexed in Scopus database from the year 2010 to 2015. So after 2015, the channel is removed from the Scopus database. That is, the channel is discontinued from Scopus. That means that channel will not come under UGC care list group 2. So kindly make sure the channels which are actively indexed in Web of Science, especially Arts and Humanities Citation Index, Science Citation Index Expanded, Social Sciences Citation Index, as well as Scopus. Actively the channel should be indexed. Only then those channels will come under UGC care list group 2. The channels which are already discontinued or already inactive in these databases, that is Web of Science or Scopus or MLA database, will not find a place in the UGC care list group 2. So I think I have made you clear about the latest update which are made in the UGC care list as on 1st July 2020. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video will be useful to you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe the channel and click the bell symbol. Very soon I will meet you in another video with another concept. Thank you very much for watching.